Good morning students, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to teach you class 4 subject mathematics. Today our topic is LCM. LCM stands for lowest common multiple. LCM is also the part of exercise 2F on page number 45 and 46. So according to these concepts you have to complete exercise 2F. Question number 4. Find the LCM of these pair of numbers using the prime factorization method. Okay, we have to find the LCM of a given pair of a number by using the prime factorization method, which we have used in finding the HCF in our previous lecture videos. The pair is 18 and 24. We have to find the factors of 18, then 24. After that we are going to find the common factor in between them. Alright, same method like HCF, but there is one difference. I'll tell you. Okay, first of all we are going to find the factors of 18. 18 comes in the table of 2 at which number 9. 9 comes in the table of 3 at which number 3. 3 comes in the table of 3 at which number 1. So the factors of 18 are 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Now we are going to find the factors of 24. 24 comes in the table of 2 at which number 12. 12 comes in the table of 2 at which number 6. 6 comes in the table of 2 at which number 3. 3 comes in the table of 3 at which number 1. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. These are the factors of 24. So we have find the prime factors of 18 and we have find the prime factors of 24. To find the LCM of 18 and 24, we are going to multiply all the common factors and the uncommon factors. We are going to multiply all the prime factors of 18 and 24. Either they are common, either they are not common. In HCF we multiply only common factors, but in LCM we are going to multiply all the prime factors of that pair of a number. Okay, so which numbers are in common? This 2 is common, this 3 is common. The rest of 3 and these 2 2's are not common. So we are going to write the common factors only once. 2, 3 only once. After that this 3, this 2 and this 2. Common factors and uncommon factors. Common factors only once. Now we are going to multiply all these numbers to get the LCM. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 2s are 36, 36 2s are 72. So the LCM of 18 and 24 is 72. In the next video lecture, we are going to find the LCM of a pair of a number which consists of 3 numbers. Thank you.